Hi! Welcome today to Rime Time. Today we're working on the family ill.
Okay, we're going to be reading and singing the poem or the song Down the Hill, and it's to the tune of Mary Had a Little Lamb. So we are just going to read it first. Okay, ready? All right, here we go. It says, Bill went skiing down the hill, took a spill, caught a chill. We have to slow down. Bill says he won't ski again. There's no way that he will. Jill went skiing down the hill, fast and free, what a thrill. Jill says she won't ever stop, not till she's had her fill. All right, so let's look for some ill words as we read it. We have Bill went skiing down the hill.
Go ahead, Drina.
That's hill. So we've got Bill, hill. Drina, remember when you lean over, then we can't see. Took a spill, caught a chill. There you go. Bill, yep. Sure. He won't ski again. There's no way that he will. So let's see what we have so far. Bill, hill, spill, chill, Bill, will. Good, Jill. Went skiing down the hill, fast and free, what a thrill. Jill says she won't ever stop, not till she's had her fill. Can you think of any other ill words besides hill, chill? Ill. Yep, that's an actual word. Like
my
sick.
sister feels ill.
Okay.
Still. And
Shill. Okay.
Mill.
Lil. Okay. What do you do with your drink if it falls to the floor? Everybody at home, it spills.
Shells.
Okay, so
Stills. Wait, I know it. Kills.
Kill. Yeah. All right. All right, here we go. We're going to try to sing the song.
Okay, we'll go fast.
Here we go. Skiing down the hill, took a spill, caught a chill. Bill says he won't ski again. There's no way that he will. Jill went skiing down the hill, fast and free, what a thrill. Jill says she won't ever stop, not till she's had her fill. One more time. Bill went skiing down the hill, took a spill, caught a chill. Bill says he won't ski again, there's no way that he will. Jill went skiing down the hill, fast and free, what a thrill. Jill says she won't ever stop, until she's had her fill. Woo, that was really fast, wasn't it?
Good job, everybody.
All right, so hold on. Next, we're going to be doing making words with the ill words, and you're going to notice some new words that the girls didn't say when we do our making words.
Oh, will?
So if you can, you can.
Will.
Oh, will.
Do we have
We'll
that
see you in
one?
just a second. Okay, here we go. We're going to be doing making words with our ill family. You might want to pause this and get out the letters that you see in front of you. The d, th, the th, p, s, w, b. And again, you want to have the ill family. So go ahead and pause it and get those letters out. If you don't have the letters, you can always write them at the top of your piece of paper or whiteboard so you know what letters you're working with. Okay, here we get going. The first word, of course, is the word ill. As Andrina said in our video, it's a synonym for sick, ill. All right, here we go. Drag one letter down to make the word hill. Hill. There it is. Ill. Hill. The next word, drag one letter down to make bill. This is a name, or it's also something you might get for when you go to the restaurant, or it's something you have to pay to a company. There it is. Let's say it. B-ill. Bill. Okay. The next word we have is dill. Bring that D down to make dill. We love to put dill on our salad. D-ill. Dill. The next word, keep that D there. Add one letter to make drill. Drill. There it is. Drill. Drill. Okay, bring that DR up. And now make one letter down to make fill. My tummy was, hold on, we'll say that differently. I had to fill my car with gas. Fill. Let's say it, ready? Fill. Fill. Okay, let's bring the F back down again if you haven't, if you didn't keep it there. We're going to add one letter here to make frill. Frill. There was some frill on the bottom of her dress. Frill. There you are. Let's say it. Frill. Frill. Bring those up. Now bring the W down. And let's think about what this says. Let's say it. Ready? Will. Will. Will you go to the movies with me? Will. The next word is till. Till. Let's say it. Ill. Till. Good. Our next word, you're going to need 3 letters to make thrill. It was a thrill to go on my skateboard down the ramp. Thrill. So you hear the thrill. There it is. Let's point to those sounds and say them. Thrill. Thrill. Okay, bring the P down. Think about what that one says. What does it say? You got it. Pill. Pill. And keep pill there and add one letter to make spill. There we go. Spill. All right, if you have a whiteboard marker, go ahead and get that out because we are going to be writing those words down that we just made. If you don't, just get a pencil or a pen, a crayon, whatever you have, and we'll write these words down. I'm going to take my letters off so I have more room to write. But of course, you don't have to. All right, let's start with hill. Let's sound it out. Ill. Hill. The next word is bill. B-ill. Bill. The next word is dill. D-ill. Now I always tell my girls, I can tell the difference between a B because I make sure my B has a belly. And I make sure my D has its big diaper in the back. Dill. Okay, let's add one letter to dill down below to make drill. Drill. The next word is fill. Ill. Fill. Okay, our next word is frill. If you can spell fill, you can spell frill. Frill. Next word is will. Ill. Will. Till. ill, till. The next word is thrill, thrill, ill, thrill. We have two more words. Pill, ill, pill. Make sure that P goes down into the basement. Can't see with mine because it's at the bottom, but make sure you have that P that goes down into the basement. What I mean by that is, there's your line. His belly should be resting on that line, and it goes, and then he goes down into the basement underneath that line. Pill. And our last word is spill. Ill. Spill. Good job, everybody. You made a bunch of words with the word family ill. So now as a reader and writer, when you see ill, you can definitely read that, and you can definitely spell it from now on. It's going to make you such a better reader and writer. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for coming to Rime Time today. Good job learning the family ill. And make sure to put our thumbs up to our channel. And hope you have a great day, and thank you for coming today. Goodbye. You're not good at this.
Oh, no.
I'm saying it to my sister.
She's fantastic.